What's up everybody, welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo. If you're new here or you've seen the channel before, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of the video if you already haven't. Today, I got a chance to take the DJI Spark out to an area on the Weeki Wachee River called Hospital Hole. Now, if you've never heard of Hospital Hole, it is an amazing place. It's actually breathtaking. It's in the middle of the Weeki Wachee River, and it's an area of the river where it hits 150 feet in depth. It is a natural spring, and legend has it that fish flock here if they are injured, has the ability to heal them if they're sick or hurt. So it's been a long standing that divers actually free dive down here all the way down to 150 feet, and there's caverns and caves within this hole itself. So it makes it very interesting. People have actually died here. Dangerous place to go if you're not an experienced diver. Now, if you watch this video, you'll also see there are bubbles. Those bubbles are not coming up from spring or any sort of animal. Those are actually divers that were there while we were filming. Another thing that this hole is known for is manatees tend to flock towards it because it does get very warm since it is a natural spring. So you'll notice throughout the video there are lots and lots of manatee pods floating through. Now, manatees in Florida are on the conservation list, so you can't actually touch them or harass them in any way. We maintained a safe distance throughout the entire film and made sure we gave the manatees plenty of leadway during filming. But without further ado, here's the video of Hospital Hole. Hope you enjoy.